Hey, welcome to another day in the life of Toby Renee. So I'm on a new project. Started technically a few weeks ago. We had to get cleaned out, the space cleaned out. Had to get a few base coats done, but I'm super excited to show you guys what I'm doing. It is a barn. Yeah, it's a barn. So we will be doing some metallic glazing in this barn. I'm super excited to show you the whole process. And I want to give a shout out to Miotit, who is actually helping me with this project. Oh, there's Miss Linda. Hey. But anyway, super excited for this project. So stay tuned. Bye. I have hired some new folks today. Hi. What was that? So we just figured out what we're gonna call this project. We're calling it the GymCave. So yes, it's a barn, but now it's about to be a workout room. So we're gonna call it the GymCave. But anyway, it's for my friend's husband. And he works out in this space. He throws axes and all kind of stuff. But it looks really crazy inside, so we want to kind of do a remodel, a makeover. So I'm excited to show you guys. All right, stay tuned.
We can choose between these three colors as the base color. Do you want the silver? Do you want the pewter, which is that like darker? And then there's like a black, which is even darker. And then of course the cream is the lowest color, but it would be one of these colors. How do you envision the room?
I like the dark.
You want the darker?
Yeah,
So
because I feel like lighting. Then you can just add lighting and it'll still keep.
So do you want the black to be the base, or do you want that like silver with the in between?
Probably the
black. Okay.
All right, let's do it. Okay. All right, thank you. Goodbye. Okay. Goodbye now.
All right.
Hi guys, I just wanted to check in with you all, give you an update on the barn. So this color behind me is the actual color. It's not the original color. The original color was like wood, planks, whatever. But then we had the base coats done, and now we are doing the first layer of what I like to call oxidized metal. And let me show you what it's starting to look like. So Brad came in, he picked the dark color. And I'm actually kind of glad. I like to get to do black rooms, dark rooms. People are tend to be scared of color, especially dark. So I'm glad we get to do this space. So let me give you a little sneak peek. Look how pretty that is. So again, this is a barn. We are transforming. All right, so I don't know if you can see behind me, but the crew is doing simply what I like to call a woolly. So the first base of this technique, I just roll it on, and I use a woolly to soften the lines because I don't want the lines from the roller mark. And when you roll on metallic paint, anybody knows that when you roll on metallic paint, however you roll it on, that's how it dries. But a little bit about the metallic paint is we're using Sapphire metallic paint from Miotit. I love this metallic paint. It's super rich, super thick. It's just a beautiful, beautiful product. As you can see, this paint is actually coming off a little black, but it's actually it's actually pewter. But on the video, it does look a little black, but it's spectacular. All right, so I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. This metallic paint, Sapphire metallic paint, is really, really beautiful. It's actually exiting all of the barn walls, and you can actually see each little indentation. It's kind of cool. You can see the wood grain. You can see where each piece comes together. It's kind of dope the way it's doing that. So we're gonna go back over the second layer tomorrow. And can I show the paint? Let me show. So that's what we're doing. I did make that into a glaze. So we're not using the paint full strength, but this color has really transformed the space. All right, guys, the barn makeover is coming along. And I also wanted to mention, this is actually a technique that I teach in the Decorative Painting Academy. It's one of the first ones that you learn. It's in the Foundations course online. So when you come to the Academy, there's two courses, the Foundations of Decorative Painting and Advanced. And each course has 20 different classes, techniques, that type of thing. So this particular one I like to call Woolly, and it is actually, like I said, in the Foundations course. But we do have a new decorative artist. So Nia, how's your experience been?
It's going great.
Good.
I'm enjoying it, and I really like it.
Okay, this is your first time, right? Yes. All right. Yep, so everything is looking really good. I'm super proud.